Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland and welcome to 24 Garnet Road. This monochromatic modern townhouse has been lovingly upgraded by our current owners and is set in a wonderful part of Auckland here in Westmere. Superbly presented throughout, you can move in and unpack here with little to no fuss. The kitchen and bathrooms are stylishly appointed with all the necessary mod cons, as well as the appealing characterful touches of timber joinery and removed floorboards. Outdoors, a sunny spectacle awaits, where creative and meticulous landscaping complete this remarkable retreat. Lounge on the terrace, barbecue on the deck, or play a game of cricket on the lawn. The entire property is incredibly low maintenance, perfect for busy people, and the address certainly needs no introduction. Fabulous cafes, restaurants, public transport, easy motorway access and great schools are so close by. It's no wonder that homes in this neighbourhood are very tightly held. There's never enough of these opportunities around. We know these homes are always popular, so make sure you put it on your watch list and you come along on the weekend. We look forward to seeing you here.